To have beautiful vitality and life force, 4 things need to happen optimally in your body: digestion, absorption, utilization, and elimination. So first is digestion. We all have to digest our food. So currently you might be able to tell how well you're digesting. Do you feel like food just sits in your tummy? Do you feel like you get gas, bloating? Do you feel like you might have candida? Do you have a lot of issues when you have like yeast? Next is absorption. A lot of us have broken guts and mucoid plaque lining our walls. A lot of us have candida, leaky gut. And so these all sort of hinder our absorption, our ability for what we just broke down, that food we just broke down now needs to be absorbed into our blood system and then utilized, that's the 3rd stage, utilized into our cells. And so if we're not properly digesting and absorbing, then the utilization, our energy for our cells, is not going to happen properly. And then next is elimination. So our cells get the food and then releases cellular waste that goes into our lymphatic system. And that waste from the lymph system should come out the kidneys. One way to check if that's happening properly is to pee in a glass jar first thing in the morning and see if you see flecks, flakes, and little clouds. If you do, that's a good thing. That means your kidneys are filtering, because what goes in must come out. And if your kidneys are not filtering and that lymphatic system gets backed up, it can cause a lot of issues in your body, and it can start getting pushed out. The lymphatic waste will get pushed out through your skin, causing acne, anything that will have a symptom on your skin, psoriasis, anything is like fungus and lymph and all those things being pushed out your skin. So you want your kidneys to be filtering, you want to see flecks, flakes, all those things in your urine, and you also obviously want to be eliminating out your colon. And so typically if you're not having 1 to 3 bowel movements a day, then you need to work on that. And just thinking about the whole system: digestion, absorption, utilization, elimination. So what are you eating? If you are sort of having these signs and symptoms that these systems aren't working very well, let's start thinking about the foods we're eating and how well or how long it's going to take your body to break down certain foods. Are you eating like a million foods combined together? Because that too will sort of confuse your body and not be optimal for digestion. So say like you eat fruit for breakfast. Now some people who are super sensitive might have to just eat a bowl of one fruit, so your body can just say, oh, I know these are raspberries, break it down and move on. Now if you put 900 things that are complex and all different, it might not be as smooth transaction. Another thing is, there's so many things, but if you can tell your food just sits in your stomach, then something along that 4 things that I was talking about, something is not working smoothly. So it's almost like you have to be a detective, like which thing is it? Like, am I not eating food that is going to give me energy? Is it my digestion? Is it my elimination? Are my kidneys not filtering? So there's a lot of different angles to look at things to get those 4 things: digestion, absorption, utilization, and elimination. All these 4 things want to be working seamlessly so that your body can break things down, get what it needs from it, and then be utilized, and then what needs to be eliminated can properly be eliminated.